Welcome to my channel! Hello kids! I'm your teacher Zell. Welcome to science class. Science 3, Quarter 3, Week 1, Day 4. Our learning objective: at the end of the lesson, the learner should be able to construct simple toys can be moved by wind, water, or any other objects. Today, we're going to study about moving objects with wind, water, push, and pull. Now, observe the picture. What causes the sailboat to move? A sailboat moves because it is being pushed by the water and the wind. Today, you will make toys that can be moved by our hands, the wind, and water. This will help you better understand that people, wind, and water can make objects move. Using a dictionary, identify the meaning of the following words. You have your puppet, pinwheel, and wheel. The first word is the puppet, a movable model of a person or animals that is used in entertainment and is typically moved either by strings controlled from above or by a hand inside it. Number 2, we have here a pinwheel, a child's toy consisting of a stick with colored vanes that twirl in the wind. Number 3, we have your wheel, a circular object that revolves on an axle and is fixed below a vehicle or other objects to enable it to move easily over the ground. Now for the activity 2.1, making a push and pull puppet. Activity 2.1, making a push and pull puppet. Materials needed: paper cups, paper straws, scotch tape, scissors, glue, colored paper, colored pens, and markers. Durations 10 minutes. Cut out the face and hands of the puppet along the bottle lines shown in the picture below. 2. Use tape to stick 3 straws together near the top. Make sure the bottom part of the straw stays free and not taped. 3. Ask your teacher to help you create a hole in the center of the bottom of the cup using a barbecue stick. 4. Then have your teacher make 2 more holes on the opposite side of the cup, about a quarter of the way up from the bottom. Make sure the straw can fit through the hole. 5. Bend the 2 straws and at the edges about halfway down. 6. Carefully push the straws up through the cup, pushing them through the holes rather. 7. Use glue to add the puppet's head to the top of the middle straw and the hands to the two arms on the sides. 8. You can now play with your puppet by pulling and pushing the straws to make the arms and head of the puppet move up and down. Activity 2.2. Making a pinwheel. Materials needed: colored paper, square, all sides are of equal length, scissors, pin, paper, straw, wooden skewer, pencil. Instruction. Number 1. Draw a big X on the paper as shown in the photo below. 2. Draw a dot in the center of a thick mark about 1 inch from a center along each folded line. 3. Start at one corner of paper and carefully cut along the line until you reach the marked dot or tick. Do the same for the other corners of the paper. 4. Fold one corner of each section towards the center as shown in the pictures below. Five. Ask your teacher to help you stick a push pin through the tip of each folded corner and then through the dot in the center. 6. Push the pointed end of the pin into the eraser tip of a pencil or the tip of a plastic straw or wooden skewer. 7. Test out your pinwheel by blowing on it. Let's proceed to our group activity. Now for activity 2.1, making a push and pull puppet groups 1 and 2. Activity 2.2, making a pinwheel group 3 and 4. Activity 2.3, making a water wheel groups 5 and 6. Divide the class into 6 groups. Group 1 and 2 will perform activity 2.1. Group 3 and 4 will perform activity 2.2, and group 5 and 6 will perform activity 2.3. Today, they will make a puppet, a pinwheel, and a water wheel. How did the other group's toy move? These are the guided questions. Answer for the question. The puppet moved by pushing the stick at the bottom. The pinwheel moved because we blew air on it. The water wheel moved by pouring water on it, and the water pushed the little cups. How similar or different are they from your group's constructed toy? Answer. The puppet moved because of our hands. The pinwheel moved because of the wind. The water wheel moved because of the water. All toys needed some type of push or pull to make it move. Push and pull puppet are hands pulling it or pushing the straw make the puppet move. Pinwheel, the wind pushes the pinwheel's blades, making it spin. Water wheel, water pushes the cups, puddles of the wheel, making it turn. Look at the list of objects below. Write W or big W if it can be moved by wind. Y if it can be moved by water, and O if it can be moved by other forces like pushing, pulling, or carrying. Leaf. What is your answer, kids? It is big letter W. It can be moved by wind. Rock. It's letter O. If it can be moved by other forces like pushing, pulling, or carrying. Kite. It's W. It can be moved by wind. Feather. It's W. It can be moved by wind. Toy car. It's big letter O. It can be moved by other forces like pushing, pulling, or carrying. Bottle in the river. It's Y. It can be moved by water. Good job, kids! How can you make the toys move? Answer: by pushing and pulling, by using water, by using wind, by other people. Now let's proceed to the evaluation, kids. Read each question carefully and choose the letter of correct answer. 1. Which of these objects can be moved by the wind? It's letter A, a paper kite. 2. Which object can be moved by water flowing in a river? The answer is letter A plastic bottle. 3. What kind of force moves objects when you pull or push them? It's your hands force. 4. Which object can be moved by rolling? It's letter A soccer ball. 5. What moves a paper boat floating on a stream? The answer is letter B. Very good, kids! Thank you for listening. See you next time!